morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at Knott's for our fourth vlog of the 2021 season, where today is finally going to be more focused on more off-ride footage, but at the same time, I'm mainly going to focus on getting off-ride footage as well as showing off what's left of the social distancing markers. I'm going to try my best to show some on-ride, try and get on some rides to get some on-ride footage of the mine rides, but I'm not making much guarantees, y'all, so hopefully we'll be better soon.
Howdy, everybody! Hey, Bill! Well, let's try this again. We're Americans here. Howdy! Can I get a yee-haw, Calico? Ha 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 ha! That's the sign of the American people. Oh, my word. Welcome to Calico, everybody. Look at this lady. She's all excited. Are you looking for something? What are you both looking for? Are you looking for anything? What y'all looking for? I know where every day they don't even know what we're looking for. Well, here's what you looking for a ride, you looking for something to eat, or you looking for something to drink? The biggest roller coaster in all of California is behind you. Right over there is our Pam for Gold. They will be the second biggest roller coaster. That would be the Silver Bullet. Then you got to go this way, you're going to run into the Calico Line Ride and Calico Mall Ride. Or you can go this way, Walton Knott's original goes to Calico.
Of course, while we're here, we're also going to check out some of the entertainment. And unfortunately, next, we have to push the Ghost Town We'll revisit for next week as well. Like I said, it's going to be a 2-week extravaganza, so look forward to that one. So today we got a solid show. We're going to try and get some off-ride footage for you, as well as get some good photos of the entertainment and everything. So, of course, we're going to get a lot of shots in Milton here, and hopefully try and get the K-Knot people. The K-Knot people here today as well. Like I said, the park isn't that packed right now. Here, the park isn't that packed. I mean, they just opened the extra security today, which is great. Which is great news, because that way I can actually... Great, because hopefully this is a sign that we may not see that big line anymore in the marketplace. And you can tell nature's healing, because the Fireman's Brigade has a major line again. A big line again today. There's a line again today. So like I said, guys, the park is starting to show a lot of life again here in the town of Calico. Hopefully we'll try and get some good off-ride shots for you today. Hopefully try and catch the Mayfields trying to rob the bank again. And let's be honest, this day might be a scorcher, y'all. Because last I checked the weather report, it'll be like 85 degrees today. Only time will tell, folks. Hopefully I can see some of this staying permanent, hopefully. Well, at least that's the hope, anyway. I could definitely see them on a shack, so here we go. It's gonna be a pretty good day, y'all. And there's the early line for the mine train. Boy, and that's a big one. And I know the last few times I've been here, I got on Knott's Berry Tales. Today, I'm not quite sure yet if I'm going to cover that here. But what I will do is cover the meet and greet, which is all the way over next to the stage. And I'm not going to show you this. I'm not going to show you this right now, mainly because one of them is already there. So let's go. Take a look. And also, this is also going to be the first night for Summer Nights. The first vlog featuring Summer Nights. So there's that as well. See you guys shortly. And it seems that hang time is down. I'm surprised. See you in a bit. Looks like the Sky Cabin is getting back up and running. I don't think it's running today, but I don't think it's running today, but it's good to see it going up again. Hopefully, eventually we can see it get back up and running again as soon as possible. There's K-Not. Hopefully we'll try and catch that one here shortly. Well, the good news is the Huff and Puff sign is back, which is fantastic. I still don't understand how the hell did they not notice that. And it seems that it also got a little bit of renovation as well. Very nice. Wow. Just wow. Flying Ace gets a crowd? Very interesting. And I thought the top ride in Camp Snoopy is Sierra. The Sierra Sidewinder. And of course, I will be discussing what I thought when Camp Snoopy got renovated in 2013. Oh, lovely. In fact, I love the fact we can still see the Hong maze until there. And yes, there is Sierra Sidewinder. There's Sierra Sidewinder's cube. And oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's a fun one.
Oh yeah, that is definitely a small line. That's definitely a big line. I do think, hopefully, fingers crossed, as school starts to reopen in August, we'll see lines start to diminish. Meaning we could see the regular crowds. The regular crowds again. Normal slow season crowds again. Well, hopefully by August, I'm really hoping I go back to work by August. Otherwise, I'm gonna be in really big trouble. So hopefully we can get this done ASAP. And sometime later we will be pointing out footage from the old days where we had the social distancing markers. So I'll show those off in a little bit as well. Stay tuned, everyone. Just had so far having a solid good walk around here on the park. The good news is, although we got some more news, I also saw the stagecoach running, and it doesn't look like the ride is starting up today. I don't think, because let's be honest, with the all amount of social distancing, if they're not running the train, what makes you think they're going to run the stagecoach? But I'm guessing everything is testing up right now. So it does sound like, and the fact that we saw the sky cabin go up, so it makes me think, are we getting close towards a return? Are we getting close to seeing a return for not only for sky cabin, but also there's the stagecoach going. Makes me think, are we getting close toward a return to the stagecoach? I'll talk more about that in a little bit.
That's a great idea.
Howdy, friends and partners, we're glad y'all came down. We're mighty pleased to meet you and show you around our town. We got a dream that's brewing that we'd like to share with you. So come on down and sit a spell, a spinny yarn or two. 100 years of history before your very eyes. So come and join the jamboree beneath the western skies. You'll see a ghost town come alive like once upon a time. With all the long-gone townsfolk that once was friends of mine. You can see them king girls as pretty as can be. That saucy little dance they do the great gay Perry. 100 years of history before your very eyes. So come and join the jamboree beneath the western skies. 100 years of history with all the old-time charm. We'll celebrate together at Knott's Berry Farm. Should I tell some more? I think so. Oh, there's Grandma
well, another thing that used to be here was the trolley. But unfortunately, we can't ride the trolley because, don't forget, I think this was right before this what happened right before. And this is where the trolley route here, which is very interesting. Now we better hurry before that trolley gets here, carrying one of the characters from Fairy Tail. Spoiler alert. And what's interesting is, of course, we'll be showing at least a few minutes of Summer Nights right before we actually sign off for the evening. And I should mention, Happiness is, I'll probably show more of this off at a later time, but rest assured, it will be featured here on the show. And all the state has the 100th anniversary. So it's going to be interesting how tonight goes. And if all things go according to plan, I hopefully should do a comparison video regarding this year's Summer Nights as well as the Summer Nights from 2019. And boy, they're adding more trains than I thought they would, which is actually a good thing. Well, I saw Tiny and Scruff earlier, so I think it might be time for our first gunfight. At least that's what I'm hoping anyway. What I'm hoping for anyway. Well, the line seems to be dying down, which is great news. Good news. But we may actually get a ride through in today. Or at least hoping for anyway. So we're gonna go get some lunch right now, and we'll see you guys shortly. Because right now I am stopping. Well, alright, I'll see you guys in a moment. Oh, okay. Well, I did say I'll show you the trolley. Well, there it is. It's Boysen Bear.
Ta-da! He's here with his trolley. How are you today?
Good. Oh, I have a picnic basket. I can give it to you. Wait, where'd it go?
I don't know. Do you see it, Poison? I don't see it.
Oh, it must be the coyotes again.
Probably with the coyotes. Oh, it's not on your trolley? Well, we'll make sure to get the pies back from the coyotes.
Yeah, it had pies in it. Picnic basket.
Pies in a picnic basket? Well, don't
Oh,
worry.
wait. That might be the wrong bear.
Oh, I see.
Must be a relative.
Perhaps. Would you like a photo today?
Sure.
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. You see, we seen this here wanted poster, the one with the two handsome gentlemen on it.
And the reward money.
Ah, the reward money is of no consequence. We just want to help you put these desperate, handsome outlaws behind bars where they belong. We're here to help you find them. It says, beware the dreaded Mayfield gang.
Yes, the dreaded Mayflower gang.
Ah, the Mayfield gang. They travel in a group. And look, there's a group right there.
Oh, the shark.
Oh, yes. It says right here on this wanted poster that they usually wear grey or burgundy shirts, and they often all have very long, fine hair. That's them. That's the Mayfield gang.
That's the Mayflower gang.
Ow!
Well, they certainly do match the description, especially that little one there. She looks awfully tough. But I don't know.
Arrest them at once, and we will swing by your office, pick up the reward money, and you won't see us no more.
No more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you go back.
Ow! Will you stop
doing that? You're always fooling around. All right. I don't play around. Drop the disguises. You're the Mayflowers.
Mayfield!
Ha! You admitted you are the Mayfield.
Dang it!
Sorry for the confusion, folks. Where did you get them disguises? Did you steal them?
We most certainly did not. No! We were over by the Undertaker's, and there was this feller there. Real silent type. I didn't think he'd need these duds no more.
So we asked if we could borrow them, and he didn't answer. So we took that for an amenable yes.
Yes.
And then there was a lady there crying and wailing.
Oh.
And I figured she's upset at this here fan.
Yeah.
So I relieved her of her source of misery.
So you see, this is just a big misunderstanding. We're just gonna get out of your hair. Let's go, Tiny.
Not so fast. You're still a Mayfield and you're still under arrest. So you just hold it. Right? There.
You know, I'd love to, but this is a rented tux, and if I don't get it back to the Undertaker's in time, he'll be upset, and I'll lose my deposit. You don't want him to be upset, so let's go.
I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Why don't we all walk down there together?
You know something? That is awful kind of you, but we do know the way. We'll be fine.
Oh no, I insist. We'll get that jacket back in time, and while we're there, I'll make arrangements.
Arrangements for what?
Your funeral!
Ah! Let's split up! Split, not spit, you
Oh,
idiot!
no, you hold it right there.
Go, Jack, go!
I'm going.
Don't worry, folks. Your sheriff in training is still on the job. Thank you. Now you all enjoy your day here in Calico. Hayfield! Anybody see which way they went? They went that way? That way, thank you.
Okay, everyone, I think I owe you all an apology. Well, during the time I had lunch, wouldn't you know it, I went to HR to figure out what was going on. Turns out the class I had to take was online, so I took it today, so this is why we didn't know today's vlog was a lot short. Rest assured, next week's vlogs are going to be a lot longer. Because not only we're going to get the off-right shot that I should have gotten, but also at the same time, it's going to be the first time we're going to be seeing this light up. The lighting up of the hay. Of course, we've been seeing the Stagecoach, the line up today. But one big question mark right now, and hold up, is the train. Because as you can see, there's no train. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised this is one of the last to be seen here. And look at that nice view of Girl Scout right there, I have to say. So hopefully my long wait to get back to work will soon be over. Soon, and hopefully I don't have to relive this nightmare ever again. So, yep. I'll see you guys in a moment when we discuss the first round of Summer Nights. Finally, we're gonna get this covered. All right, here we are. We're at the get ready to start Summer Nights very shortly. Which makes me think, are we gonna go to this visit? And also a very good vantage point of the K when they light it up shortly. When they eventually do light it up this evening. So this is another good vantage point. Like I said, throughout the rest of the summer, we're gonna make sure we get a lot of vantage points around that K. So it's going to be interesting to see where this goes going forward, what we're going to do. And I love the fact they're actually showing off photos, and there's one of Wipeout with the blue sky cabin. Boy, it's going to be awkward to see how this goes. So it's going to be rather interesting to see how they introduce the bands. Well, in this case, tonight is hiatus, by the way. So are we gonna see anything different with the introductions this time? Because I may actually do a video discussing, comparing 2019 to this year. So it's gonna be very interesting to see what this goes. I'll see you guys in a minute.
So make sure you get something to eat. I've had my hand in about every dish tonight to make sure they were right. Also, our other two friends here this evening haven't quite shuffled out yet, but we have the ladies in charge of libation. They're right there. Right there they are. That is Ivana Drink and her sister Anita Drink.
I think we all need one at this point tonight.
Yes, thank you, Saul. Also, we have to mention to all of you beautiful people that we have these delicious food carts everywhere that you can purchase a tasting card for. And you can also eat the food a la carte as well. And these fire pits will be turned on later. And you can purchase a s'mores kit and roast some s'mores. Who doesn't want to do that? But really,
Okay, everyone, I think that's probably the best way to end it. If anyone's having any doubts that we're not open, that song proves we're back with a vengeance. So that's it for tonight. We'll be back either Monday or Wednesday, because Wednesday I heard they're going to do something. So I'm going to be checking that out. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of future videos. And hopefully I get to go back to work. Fingers crossed. So that's it, everyone. Thank you guys for watching, and I will
We don't remember what he said.
catch you guys in a little bit. Good night, everyone.